From the tech department at Permagreen, so you have no spark, might be in the wiring. Take a 3/8" socket. We're going to take out these two front screws. Tilt that panel forward. This is the start module on the Triumph. We're going to cut these plastic tie straps. Just the tie straps, not the hoses, not the wires. That won't be good. So on a Triumph, you've got two blacks, two browns, red and a white. I'm going to disconnect the red and the white. These are bullet connectors, come apart pretty easy on a Permagreen. Tilt that out of the way. If you don't have one of these, I recommend one. Continuity tester. I'm going to set this here. Beeps when there's continuity. So this red and white, these two go down to the top of your transaxle to the neutral safety switch. So when this machine is in neutral, you should have continuity on these two wires. And we do. So everything south of here, these two wires, is good. But if you have intermittent sound coming from that continuity tester on this red and white here, you have a problem further down the line. So we need to go around the front of the machine and check out the top of the transaxle. Hey, I did one better. I came out to the assembly line here in Valparaiso, Indiana. This is where the Triumphs are made from Permagreen. This is your neutral safety switch. In neutral, you should hear a beep here. Now, when this is in any other gear but neutral, no more beep. The only time you should get continuity is when this is in neutral. So check that out. If yours doesn't behave like this, then you need a neutral safety switch. Other thing is, this is called the lead. We'll provide the part number at the end of the video here. But this is the connector that goes on this neutral switch. See how it stabs on here like this? Just slides on. Burp. Over time, you get fertilizer and stuff down here. These pins can get corroded, and these can get corroded. So try cleaning this up as well. That may solve your problem. Again, you're looking for continuity all the way down from the transaxle back up to the start module. So we have the part number for this. If that's your problem, you need to replace that, and also the neutral switch. Got all the parts in stock. 1-800-346-2001, or you can buy parts online at permagreen.com. Now, if that took care of your problem, congratulations. If not, move on to the next video.